You ever heard of a Guniwheel?
Nope.
Okay, that was the intro.
What you got here?
All right, everybody. Welcome to our Christmas second spectacular extravaganza. I bought him 2 of these, and he bought me 2 of these.
Yeah.
So we'll both partake in using them in the future.
Oh, that one didn't get a box.
Yeah, I think this one must have had a problem in shipping.
Look at that.
Look.
Hey, that matches my color almost.
Yeah. I think the wheel must have had something wrong with it or something. Oh, they kind of have self-made chocks in them. You see that it won't.
Well, let's see if these do. Oh,
All right, let's open them all up.
Oh. Guniwheel.
It has uni is a different color here, so I'm saying Guniwheel, like the Goonies, and it's orange, so it fits. Guniwheels. Guniwheel is installed on this vehicle used as an alternative to jack stands and mounts. Not designed for road use. Motorized use is not recommended, but your max speed is 5 miles an hour. Lug nuts must be installed and torque to spec, do not exceed recommended load limits. Use at your own risk. Okay, so what do you think of them? I think it looks pretty cool.
Is there an in and an out?
I'd say this goes
Yeah.
in, that goes on the hub, so we'll see. Let's put these in tomorrow.
Let's see if they fit.
Oh, okay. Typical dad fashion. Let's get them all installed right now.
No, let's see make sure they fit.
Well, I got the 4.5S Guniwheel, which is supposed to be the lug nut pattern for four stud or 5 stud wheels.
Okay.
So we'll see. Let's see how it work out. Your lug nuts like right underneath there.
Is it the same color as these?
This is a little more red. This might be closer to my red color, actually. Boy.
No.
Yeah. There it is.
Well, it fits. I like it. What do you think, Mama?
I like it.
Look at them orange Guniwheels.
I'm not gonna torque them or anything.
Torque them.
I just
Get this car dropped on the ground.
not today.
All right, cool.
You know,
On my birthday.
Uh-huh.
On my mom's birthday.
well, I don't know why you're having so much trouble. There we go.
Because I just poured a beer. Can't even get my nuts on my lugs.
It's a good
That
thing.
is gonna be awesome. What do you think, Pop?
Yeah, I think it's cool.
There's a little bit of slack, a little bit of play.
Not after you torque
But
them.
yeah, I think when these torque down and kind of nestle those, that'll center that wheel. But we're not
We're not going
We're not
anywhere.
burning the tires out on it.
It's
So
just
it's gonna be
roll
for
around.
movement purposes and great.
Yep. Well, that's pretty cool.
Okay. Omaha Orange. Guniwheel.com's. This makes this looks red, but this looks orange on my car that's red. So
I guess it's more like the valve covers for Dodge. You know,
more Hemi orange color?
Hemi orange.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
What's the matter?
Battery went dead.
Oh. You leave stuff on?
Just it takes forever to crank.
Because it's got too big a motor in it.
Does have too big a motor.
Golly. Why you put these big motors in it? Oh, wait a minute. Mine's bigger than yours.
That's right.
440 versus 428.
Yep. What do we do with the charger?
I got 7.2 liters on you, son. How big is a 428? 7 liter?
Maybe.
Happy New Year's, everyone. So I got all the Guniwheels on the car. It's January 1, 2025. The car's gonna be rolling in 2025, guaranteed. And I'm sick. So's Mom. So's Papa.
I don't see other chargers, but they're all
What? You're
up at the other garage.
My car's gonna be dinged and scratched and need a paint job by the time it gets out of the
That's
shop.
rubber, see?
Okay, flip that rubber all over your car. That's great, yeah.
See, doesn't hurt it.
Are you insane? You just hit the metal on it.
I know it didn't hurt it.
My goodness.
Somebody puts a good paint job on it, it doesn't hurt it. Let's see.
I don't know why you do the crap you do.
Let's see.
Chip your car just to show me that it won't chip my car.
No, it won't chip mine either. That's pop negative and negative.
I think to get this one going, you have to have everything hooked up and then plug it in.
Like so.
Yeah, this is the old Napa Special.
It's special, all right.
It is.
Pain.
Okay. 11.8 volts. So, how do we do that's 6.
There it goes. It's on. Takes a second and it comes on. What's it saying?
I think we want to go to,
Went off.
we want to go to 80 amp. Ready.
Ready.
Sounds like it's putting voltage. Start it.
I bet it won't start.
Bet you it will.
I'll bet you won't.
Now you went out on a timer, 180-second timer.
That'll run. Get everything else ready then.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on 20 amp. And we're gonna unplug it to reset it. Well, it says it's on doing 20 amps, so. But I hate that thing. I like the old Craftsman one where you can tell. Beep. It's putting out electricity.
Yeah, I know.
Once your Mustang's out, all this goes over. So let's get the charger. Let's get the charger most of the way over here.
On what?
Let's blow it out and then get the charger most of the way over to here.
Yeah, that's fine. Blower.
Yeah, I said bloater. Fan it.
No, it's got one bar. Load my car off.
Blowed the car off. You got all kinds of stuff under your car.
I know
What'd you do? Battery die?
Go out and go underneath your car. Blow it all out. Makes the thing roll easier. It's not dirt.
I like it.
It's all dusty in here now.
clear out.
No, I know.
Well, let's move the car. Let's start to. You can probably lift the hood up some. Get on the front radiator support.
You want to swing the rear end or you want the nose to the front?
I don't care. I don't. Will we make that if we swing the
I
ass?
think so.
Maybe we will. You just want to bring the ass around then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably better than going and trying to back it up and everything.
Okay.
You're fine over here. Still fine.
Okay, let's get your Mustang out, move this crap over, and then the Charger can come straight back. I want to film it.
Okay.
I hope mine starts. Hood closes perfectly. Oh man. Okay, I gotta get with him over here. She started!
Yeah.
So why was your battery dead? That's the question.
Because I haven't driven it.
Oh. Because it's been sitting here for 2 months?
Yeah. We'll leave it running. We'll charge it. Just go forward sideways. And then I'll pull it in.
I just know how you are, is you're gonna end up driving it down the street and hook fly up on you. Look how dirty that baby is. You got a light behind you, stop! Light behind you. Stop. Just go straight backwards. Or are you just gonna park it there?
No. I'll put it in the grass. Is there a light in the way?
No, you should be good straight back.
Just taking it off the concrete.
Call that good?
Yep.
And you're gonna leave it running?
Yeah, so it's charged.
So we painted this car twice, and when we did it, we didn't get this area sanded enough, so the second paint job went over the first
Wanted to flake.
and it was all trying to flake off
It was
on us.
starting to bubble, so took it all off. Have to touch that up.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty now.
You ever gonna wash this car? You've never washed that, have you?
No, then I'll just wipe it down.
It's time for a wash job.
Yeah. Alright, we need to pull this around.
Yep, let's do that. I'm going back on time lapse so we can listen to some music.
Okay.
All right, let's take a look. I've never seen this shop before. Oh, I like the Willwood hub through the Guniwheel. That's my 5 stars. Yeah.
There's that 440.
That's gonna be slick.
And all your QA1 suspension.
Oh yeah.
Pretty pretty. You got to put all your pulleys. There's only got the one alternator hooked up right now.
Yep.
Cool.
Well, the water pump was going, but I need vintage air. Probably there's something that goes
Oh
up
yeah,
over
there's all
there.
the brackets for that.
Vintage air stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you got your battery tray. And,
Yeah.
oh, you're gonna fill that thing up with
Good stuff. All right, close the hood.
You afraid of it getting dirty or dusty?
I just wanted to see the thing with the hood down. Those just look like white stripes.
Yeah.
Until you get them in a light, and then you can see blue.
Changing our whole way of doing business.
Our whole MO is changing now. There's dirt on it.
Oh boy.
We splattered something on it.
Time to get rid of it. Hey, Mom wants this in the house.
Oh, does she? All right, enough staring. Got my Goonie wheels on. Guniwheel, Guniwheel.com. They saved the day. Got Dad's Mustang over on the lift over there. So we'll get it fixed, then we'll get this back on there. And then I promise you, I'll do a ton more work and getting it running this year. Lots to do. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, why don't you subscribe? That'd be cool. You can watch me do all this. I think Pops wanted me to take a look at him wrecking his Mustang here. Don't wreck it! You look pretty centered there, yeah. Watch your car door.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to move.
Yeah, we're gonna have to move stuff. Look like a clown getting out of there.
Yes, sir.
We'll move that whole thing out of there.
Now,
We gotta rearrange all kinds of stuff. I can't have you not being able to get your door open.
here we go. We're good. That's it.
Okay, good. Oh, look, you can see my motor through the through the radiator. Well, that's pretty cool. The Goonie wheels did a good job.